You see that red light?
Yes.
If that red light is on, it did not light off. Keep watching.
Fired.
It lit off. If that light comes back on, it did not light off. If this light is flashing, it did not light off. If you started your furnace up, which is on your thermostat over here where it says heat, you turn that on the heat and it comes on and then shuts off about a minute later, it did not light off. Probably you have no fuel in your tank and you are in trouble from her. Because at 3 o'clock in the morning and you're out of propane, it's your fault. It doesn't matter. It's Father's Day. In fact, that's the only day that it won't be your fault.
Yeah.
I doubt.
It's so we're gonna go in the van.
Tank right now,
We
so
can all hope for something.
Yes. Having said that, if you are wondering whether or not you have gas in here, you'll come over to the center burner, turn it on light, and then turn.
It's coming.
I hear it. There it is. You want to get a good hot blue flame there, let it run for about 10 seconds, say, oops, good. Then shut it off, and then come over here, turn your appliance to the off position, wait 10 seconds, and then turn it back on to the gas side so you can build up the gas in there. Having said that, the gas is a big deal here because this takes a long time for gas to get up here. It's got the same size line for this as it does for your water heater and your burner. So, and it runs on a flame this wide by about that high. So it's significantly less. It's called water column. 4 inches of water column on this, 11 inches on this. 11-inch pipe, 4-inch pipe. You still have the same size of pipe running up to it, but the amount of anything that goes through it is significantly less in the 4-inch than it is in the 11-inch. So it takes a lot longer for this to go off. Now, the furnace and the water heater should come right back up once you make sure you have fuel. The refrigerator, on the other hand, the manufacturer says it can take 3 times of this going into fault mode after you try to light it and it flashing at you. Shut it off. 3 times later, it says you should be on. I'm saying 3 times later, be patient. Because you have no gas on this side of the house.
Be patient.
So if we're out of gas, then that pilot out light that was red, that would stay red.
That would stay red.
That means we're out of propane.
That means that did not light up. That may not mean that you're out of propane. That's why you're going to come up here and make sure you've got fuel
to
there.
get it up here, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you don't have fuel there, that's the reason. If you have fuel there, then it's probably a different reason. Your refrigerator may be fine, your furnace may be fine, but you may have an issue with your water heater. So I'm going to say you probably check those first. Make sure you got fuel and then reset.
Okay.
Because it may blow it out. You may get a big enough wind that blows it out and it tries to heat, but there's enough wind going through there that keeps it from lighting. And you don't want that fuel to continuously run through. Okay. Questions on the refrigerator?
I do not.
I think we're good.
Okay. For storing it, you can store it by pushing this. You've got a little tongue there and you've got a little square notch right there so that you can leave these ajar. That way you can shut this off and you don't have that smell or that black mold that grows in there. And you just got these little things to release to put it back. Do not go down the road with it in that position or put food in there. Make sure
in the grade.
Papa, what's wrong?
In the
yeah, in the